Donald Trump is in massive trouble, and he just got busted, and now he's being forced to return millions and millions of dollars that he stole from his own supporters. He's basically been forced into doing this because of some breaking investigations into his schemes. This is part of a long-running thing, going all the way back to when he was running for re-election, that Donald Trump set up his donation website to double and triple and quadruple the amount of donations people thought they were giving to him. Or in some cases, they thought they were giving, a one-time donation, but they were being secretly enrolled in a monthly recurring donation plan, sometimes bi-monthly plan, every 2 weeks, where people that thought they could give $100 one time are now finding themselves with hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of credit card debt to the Trump campaign that they never wanted to give. And so the end result of this is that Trump stole millions, 13 million minimum, from his own supporters, from the people that believed in him. And look, we can mock Trump supporters and say that they sort of deserve to get scammed when they give their money to Donald Trump, that Trump is going to lie to them, that Trump is going to say this money is to save America, but we all know it's Trump using the money to build his own wealth and power and privilege. But there's a difference between that and thinking to yourself, I'm giving $100 of my money to Donald Trump and I'm an idiot for giving $100, versus thinking you're giving $100 and it ends up that you're giving $400 a month, which is something that you can't afford and didn't consent to. And so this shows the kleptocracy of Donald Trump, how this man used the White House and used his entire political apparatus to steal from the taxpayer, to steal from his own supporters, to steal from his political party in some cases, any way he could make money for himself or for his own political apparatus, he would do, likely under the calculation that, one, I'll never get caught because Trump has such an ego, and two, if I get caught, maybe I'll make more money than I'm forced to pay back, because I'm almost certain that Trump, paying back 13 million means he's stolen way more than 13 million. And this isn't even the only Trump stealing story out this week. Earlier this week, there's a story that says that there are dozens, if not hundreds, of artifacts, some of them worth thousands of dollars, that are missing from the Trump White House and the Trump State Department. That all of these items, either gifts given to the United States by dignitaries or slated to be given to those foreign countries by the US, are unaccounted for. That all of these things from the Trump era are nowhere to be found. And of course, there's no direct proof as of yet that Donald Trump or his cronies stole these items worth tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands potentially when you add them all up. But it's part of the criminal culture, the unaccountable culture, the kleptocratic culture of the Trump White House, the Trump family, the Trump business, and the Trump movement. And so it would not surprise me if Donald Trump, who stole 13 million plus from his own supporters, wouldn't steal art or fancy bottles of alcohol or whatever that were given to the United States, all because he feels, whether or not he's a billionaire that could afford to buy these things, that he gets to keep them because somehow it all belongs to him anyway, that, he's still the rightful president, and so all of the gifts that the White House get actually belong to Donald John Trump and not the American people, not the office of the president, but him as an individual, right? Like, this really shows how ugly it all is. I mean, look, even after he lost the election, they were shifting art out of the White House, and some people were saying that, that's not the normal procedure for moving fancy pieces of art and, furniture out of the White House. Donald Trump may be stealing these things. So keep an eye on this. Donald Trump just openly got caught stealing millions.